Hello and welcome to Graziella TV. I'm your host, Graziella Barada. Thank you for joining me in another fabulous episode of GTV, where I serve up a hot dish of this and that. Today, we're talking about smart food prep. In today's busy world, you've got to find shortcuts that help keep your diet on a healthy track while using the least amount of time possible. I'm going to show you some of my favorite shortcuts to a healthy lifestyle that are also quite budget friendly. I'm going to start off with the simplest methods of all.
We all know that fresh produce is the best way to go, but sometimes it's not the most convenient.
Number 1, produce preparation. Wash, chop, and pack all your veggies for the week in 1 or 2 30-minute sessions a week, depending on the number of people you're cooking for. Make it interesting and listen to a podcast, the radio, TV, or have a conversation with a friend on speakerphone or loved one in your kitchen. It will go by super fast, and it will ensure that all of your produce is at your fingertips when you need it during the weekly rush. This is also a great thing to get the whole family involved with. Number 2, make homemade spice mixes. Having pre-made spice mixes on hand are an easy way to create any dish in the flavor of your favorite cuisine. Some of my favorites are Asian, Mexican, and French. You can make dry spice mixes simply from natural dried herbs and spices and store them in a container, just like this one, which has a long shelf life, or make a marinade to store in the fridge for no longer than a week. I don't recommend the store-bought kind because there are usually hidden ingredients like MSG, sugar, and preservatives, and those are big no-nos in a healthy diet.
Here are some basic spice mixes to have on hand to make your meal prep time a little simpler. Add salt according to your preference. Download the Spice Mix card at GraziellaTV.com.
Making these homemade spice mixes are easy, fun, inexpensive, and super convenient. What is better than that? Number 3, have theme days so you can use the same spices and ingredients in all 3 meals for the day, making it a no-brainer. Just like Mexican Fiesta Day on GTV. For breakfast, we have huevos rancheros. For lunch, arroz con habichuelas. And for dinner, chili lime grilled chicken with refried beans and avocado salad. Arriba! Number 4, learn about measurements and serving sizes when prepping food so that you can easily double a recipe or cut a recipe. Pack the right size snacks and meals. Don't grab a whole box of cereal on the run and eat straight from the package. Portion out everything from meals to snacks, and the more you practice that, the easier it will get. And that brings me to number 5, make snacks and bag them. Having healthy snacks readily available to you when you're out or even at home will enable you to have better control over what you eat and make healthier choices. If you have the healthy snacks already proportioned and packed up, it's so much easier to choose those over the pricier and less healthy pre-packaged processed items. A great example are my scrumptious best protein bars ever in a previous Fit Foodie episode, which I'm going to have right now. Number 6, freeze leftovers in oven-friendly trays or plates for an easy meal when pressed for time, just like this one. I mean, why buy frozen dinners when you can save a ton of money making them yourself and much healthier too? It's super easy to do. Just take your leftovers or make your favorite healthy meal and freeze it once it has reached room temperature in a freezer-safe container. And number 7, make soups. They are easy, healthy, and filling options that last the whole week, just like my latest turkey meatball soup. As you can see, eating healthy does not have to be complicated, expensive, or inconvenient. All it takes is a little will, and the way will be paved for you with some smart food prep.
For easy, healthy, and yummy recipes, watch the Fit Foodie episodes on GraziellaTV.com. Also available on iTunes, Blip.tv, and iFood.tv. Graziella TV is brought to you by Angel Sanchez Pictures. And also made possible by Sunny Michaels G. Kundo. And Be Unique Total Image Consulting, helping you become a better version of you.
Thanks so much for watching Graziella TV. If you liked the episode, please share it with your friends. And don't forget to like us on facebook.com/Graziella TV. I'll see you next time.
Serve it hot. Graziella TV. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Serve it hot. Graziella TV to my channel on www.graziella.com.